What is white space in design? Simply put, it's the space between elements, unmarked, unused areas in a design. Looking at the big picture, it includes space around a design and blocks of empty space between elements. Zooming in, it can include space between lines of text or paragraphs, letters in a word, or even between an image and its caption. White space does not mean an empty space on a white background. It can be any color, texture, pattern, or a background image. White space has its roots in the Gestalt principle of psychology, an idea developed by German psychologists in the 1920s. Gestalt describes the ways our brains assume unification or relatedness of visual elements based on their proximity to each other. A subcategory of this principle states that elements in close proximity to each other are perceived to be related or grouped together. Note the white space between the groups lending to that idea. Inexperienced designers tend to fill all space available, but often what's not included is just as important as what is included. An effective use of white space will lead to a cleaner, more professional design. It can help create a flow to the information, leading the viewer's eye to specific elements. When design elements are crowded, it's difficult for the viewer to focus on one specific element. White space organizes the elements and provides the viewer visual relief. White space can also be viewed as sophisticated. Some viewers may associate empty space as wasted space. Then, this space becomes a luxury that translates to being more upscale, which can add value to a brand. Think of the difference between a retail clothing outlet and high-end stores. Retail stores fill every inch of space, while more upscale stores have much less merchandise on the floor, creating an organized, cleaner image. White space in design is similar to the use of silence in a musical composition. Without moments of silence, music could be overwhelming. Likewise, design without white space can be perceived as unpleasant, unstructured, and difficult to comprehend.